Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channels. In our that rushes endlessly forward where trend flickers that passing light and beauty is often reduced to moment to attention. There stands a quick moment voice and believe in grace, in craftsmanships, in the art of dressing with meaning. This is in the word of Mimar. More than just about collection of Mimar dress, Mimar is a living expression of timeless. They are every detail that a person every design heard a story. Mimar is a living expression of and every design heard a story in the soft of tradition meeting the bold confidence of the modern woman. It's not fashion. Moves gently through the season of life, leaving behind in elegance that never grow old. The creation of Mimar pieces inherited the wisdom and generations being each designed to life through hand war inherited the wisdom of generation beach partnership that not only they are placed with purpose. The result is harmony of sexes colored from a visual poetry that can only from human devotions to where memories, to where this effort, artistry and love that live behind every stitch is to experience what is meant to be wrapped not just in fabric but in feeling. When a mimar dress, it tells a story of grace, whether it flows softly in the light morning or glow gently bathed in the mimar confidence of the woman who wears it. She does not seek attention, she naturally draws it here, but she speaks on silence through poise, their dignity through the subtle power of lightly speak in each collection is on to hear the woman who walk through world with purpose, who understand that the true beauty is not found in but in aesthetics. May celebrate the beauty of being yourself. It honors the gentle strength and refines every woman and the kind yourself. Mimar dress not only simplify rest on your skin, it become part of your story. We talk with your new beginning, celebrate and linger softly in memories. It become that familiar touch of confidence, that queen, that elegance when born from never faces Mimar where every thread tell a story and every story become timeless. Express who you truly are. If you love, if you love, like, share, and subscribe for more. The comment